Hello everyone, welcome to WebDev Warriors. In this video, we'll build this jelly bubble animation. After watching this video, you will learn about the CSS animation and also the drop shadow. So we'll encourage you to watch our video and try to code it your own. If you face any problem, let us know in the comment section. We'll definitely there for help you. And let's break down the point how we actually implement this point. So we see the bubble. There is four different types of color: white, blue, and cyan. So we all need to use the radial gradient for this, and then we see there's glow effect. So we also do this way, and then there is drop shadow. So and the bubble is moving from ups to down. So we need to include the infinity animation. So please watch the video and please subscribe to our channel and stay with us. Thank you.
if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.